Good morning. It's just gone 3:15 Eastern time, or 18 minutes past 3, and which is almost 20 past 8 here in the UK. And I just want to recap my trading for today. So my first trade was around 8:30 in the pre-market, and that was an anomaly I saw, and it was I took the breakdown of the 5-minute candle. I'm just going to zoom in. Try and remove the high volume bars here so you can see what I saw. Okay, so it was 8:30 around that time, so it was this big wide range bar came in, and it was above average volume at the time, and then I saw this narrow range candle come in, and look at that, twice the volume of the wide range bar. So that set alarm bells ringing, and I may have been a bit too early on it, but I took the breakdown of that candle here for a short, and I wasn't really paying too much attention. I had very small position size in, and my stop was above the current high in the pre-market. I went away for a bit, I came back 10 minutes later, and I'd stopped myself out. It stopped me out actually, so it's a very small loss. But the idea was right. I saw the anomaly, and had I not been distracted, I probably would have taken it off at the 50 moving average. So, but the play was right, it worked out well, and again used volume analysis for that. And you can see the heavy concentrated volume in that area as well, so it was a natural area of support. And my next trade was when the market opened, and I saw these. It was all of the markets had very big topping tails. These topping tails here, and I took the breakdown of the topping tails with my stop up here, and my entry was, where was it? It was there. So that first topping tail, and it broke down, and it pulled back on me, and it pulled up. So I added again up here as well. So my average price was around 45.03, I think it was, this area, and that's where my average price was. And it was a good trade. I took some profit when we broke down through the VWAP, and then I took some more profit down here. And what I did do though, when it pulled back, I didn't like the pullback, this pullback here, so I came out of the trade there, and then I saw it reject the 50 moving average, so I got back in again. So, and then I took profit down here, and then eventually I played around, I held it, and then as soon as it broke above the 50 again, I got back out. And obviously I was always in profit because my break even was well up. It was always up here, and no regrets not holding it for the FMOC, because obviously it came in big drop down. I did consider holding it, and then it pulled back up, and I even considered taking the 4500, because I'll show you on Bookmap. 4500, you see, 4500. So as you can see from Bookmap, we've got this area here, 4500, and that's a big area I was waiting to short from. And I did consider, this is the FMC, where was it? It came up to that area, yeah, 7:30 during the FMC meeting notes, and I considered shorting it, and especially when it came back and retested it as well. But you know, it's a profit pool day, and I just wanted to not throw away my positions on a good green day like today. So not massively profitable, because I did stop myself out a couple of times in this area to get back in again, and you know, just by stopping out there and then getting back in down there, you do lose a little tiny bit in the trade, but it's not a big problem. And this is the area it pulled back into as well, which we just saw on the Bookmap, and it would have been a good trade, especially the topping tails. But I've not traded very well during FMOC, so I wanted to sit out. I just wanted to watch the fireworks basically. But you can see it's down into this area now. So let's look at the hourly. So my machine's running low because I've got football streaming at the same time. My team's playing right now, Arsenal Football Club, and they're 2-0 up against PSV Eindhoven, and it's only been 20 minutes. So hence why I've got loads of brokers open and streaming open and recording. All slows things down. So we come back down into the supply zone. It's an area which was on watch for this morning, and it looks like we've bounced from that area as well. So probably a bit late in the day, 8:30, which is 3:30 Eastern time, to go long, but it's an area to keep an eye out tomorrow anyway. So good day trading, green day, and another good thing, I didn't have any FOMO at all, no FOMO to trade, although I had a slight bit of FOMO as I just discussed, where I wanted to take a position up here, but I didn't in the end, and I'm glad I didn't. It would have worked out, but I'm not fussed because I'm watching my football team instead, and we talked about this in one of our mental toughness sessions where we swapped FOMO for JOMO, which is the joy of missing out. And exactly what, if I'm missing out on the trading, but I'm actually enjoying watching my team. They're winning 2-0. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you do like these videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll be back tomorrow live at 9 AM Eastern time to go through these levels, and we'll see where we are tomorrow after we've had some see what the market does in post-market and pre-market tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice evening.